How to customize Tidio chat. So first, go to your Tidio dashboard, and then just click on the settings here at the bottom left corner. Next, from here, you just need to click on live chat and then click on appearance. Now from here, from appearance, you can already customize your chat. So for example, I want to customize the background color, this one, into purple, so you can see. And then if you want to customize the header, this one, you can just, instead of hi, you can say hello. And as for the message, instead of welcome, you can just say, hey, you're back to our website. Okay, so you can see, you can also change the number here if you want, and you can toggle the conversation starters here. And as for the visibility and position, you can also change the position of the widget. For example, instead of seeing it here at the left side, you can change it to the right. Now you can just use all of the options here to customize your chat, and that's about it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.